Hi, my name's Sorhaindo and I'm the Head of Cleaning Services here at the Trust. My family are from the Caribbean island of Dominica. My mum's the eldest of 9 children and she came to England in 1957. She always told us that she answered the call to come to Britain after the Second World War to help structure and rebuild. She settled in Bradford in 1959 and was joined by my father, who worked as a bus conductor. After having her children, she took up the post within the NHS. She spent 30 years working at St Luke's Hospital and 2 years working at Bradford Royal Infirmary before retiring. Windrush to me represents strength, courage and the beginning of new chapters. It also symbolises sacrifice. Mum left the beautiful nature island of the Caribbean, all her family and friends, to start again from scratch, not thinking of the challenges and tough conditions she would face. However, she faced them with pride. I feel immensely proud to be part of this diverse workforce the Windrush generation helped to build. Also continuing Mum's legacy. She was part of building something so essential. I'm part of the second generation and I have family members who are the third. We've all adopted the skills, compassion and resilience of the Windrush generation.